Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions tutorial. And this is how to use when I work tutorial for beginners. So for this video, I'll talk to you through on how to use this platform called When I Work. So this is basically a scheduling app or like a work application to manage your schedule and your employees. So first thing you have to do is go to wheniwork.com over here in the URL, and then from here, this is their unique homepage. It's really pleasing on the eyes. And first thing you have to do is create an account or log in an account if you don't have one. So for me, I'm gonna go for my Google account. I'm gonna click here, start my free trial with Google. And then let's wait for it to load. And once you're signed in, it will redirect you to this page. Create your workplace. So write in your company name. Let's say I have a bake shop. So I'm going to type on bake, the savvy bake, let's say. And then the number of employees. So this application can hold up to 3,000 employees. That's pretty impressive. But let's choose here 1 to 20. And we're going to go on start a free trial. And then from here, you will have an option position. So we're gonna put in what kind of industry our company is. Food services. So I'm gonna click on it. Here are the suggested position for food services. So let's add on manager, server, and a cook. And also let's add on a cashier. And down below, you can also add your own positions. So after that, we can just click on next. And then from here, you can add users. So you can add and invite users. So when I work, so you can start building the schedule and share it when you're done. So we can add the employees. Let's say I'm going to type in, and then we're going to type in their email. And then we're going to choose on their position over here. Let's say Savvy is the manager. And then I'm going to click on here, the cashier. And then we're going to type in more, write their email and their position. I'm going to click on cook. And once you're done, you can hit next. And then from here, we will have a scheduler set up. So for this scheduler setup, you're going to indicate when your work week start. So our schedule will start on this day and we'll use it to calculate weekly over time. So we have to choose when to start. I'm going to choose on Monday, and down below you can create a shift template. So what this means is what you are commonly scheduled shift. So we will save this for you to use quickly again and again. So when you have certain tasks, you just have to input a time, and then you can input a position. So when you have three employees that are positioned in cook and your scheduled job is 9 a.m. to 11, three of them can do the job. So that what is great about this application, because it gives you this unique feature. And once you're done, you can just hit next. And then from here, it will redirect you now to their page. So from here, you will have an option here. Let's discuss this first, the dashboard. And on the end, you will have the notification. But for now, we'll use this dashboard. So in this dashboard, you will have your first schedule, today's schedule, attendance notices, today's snapshot, the open shifts, the work labor cost, pay period forecast, and the other statistics. So this is very helpful when you scheduling an employee and to see their overall statistics of your company. So now let's move on to the scheduler. So this is the most important feature of the app because here you will have an option to add a task. And then from here, you can create a custom shift or you will have this suggestion, which I created earlier. So let's click on it. And then from here, this is Danny Duncan job as I created earlier. And we can also add another one, which we can create another shift from him to work. And then from here, they will have multiple options to fill up the necessary information. And once you're done, you can just hit save and there you go. And you can also add here some comments. You can just click here, the comment section. So from here, you can indicate a start date and an end date. And so for the schedule, we can have all schedules and we can have the title and we can provide a message. So for example, I want something to do with the workflow of their cook. So I'm going to type in suggestions or ideas on how I want this to flow. And then you can just hit save and they will receive the message. And when you want to delete something, you can just hit these three buttons here and you can just click delete. But if you want to re-edit it, you can just click here the edit button and provide your specific information. So to save the changes, just click on save and publish. And if you want to move it, you can just click this and you can just move it to another block. There you go. This app is very simple. And next up is the attendance. So from here, can have a certain date and end date on when you want your employees to attend. So confirm your pay period length. So we will have an option here to pay them weekly, every 2 weeks, first and 16th of the month, or monthly. And we can also do a custom. So let's say I'll pay them weekly. And from here, how will employees clock in? So you will have an option to do it on their mobile device, or they can clock in to their personal computer. So I'll choose in mobile device. Employees must be near location. I'm gonna click on here. And then once you're done, you're gonna go on finish the setup. And now you will have the attendance sheet for these employees. So you will see them when their time in, where their time out, when did they overtime, their double overtime, and the total paid of the employees. And now let's move on to the work chat. So from here, you will have an option to chat with them. So they also provide message platform to communicate with your employees. So there you go. This app is really simple and really easy to use. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.